So over here, you can see that I have a Google Drawing page and this page is in a certain size. If you want to resize this out, then you can go around onto the bottom right hand section, click and drag this out to resize the entire page, as you can see. So if I were to pull this, you can see that I can simply go around and resize this out so that I have more space, or I can click and drag this inwards to actually go around and resize this out over here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and use the zoom option right here to zoom it into 50%, and this is what you can see, and this gives me more room to resize this as well, as you can see right here. So now if you want to make a precise adjustment to the page, then you can use the page setup option as well. So to use the page setup option, you can go to file right here and then go to page setup. So once you go around into page setup, you can set around a standard aspect ratio. So let's say I choose a standard 4:3 aspect ratio and press apply. Then you have the standard 4:3 aspect ratio of page, as you can see. You can go around into file and go to page setup right here. Go to 16:9, then it sets it out accordingly. And similarly, if I were to go to page setup right here, 16:10, and it sets up accordingly right here. Go around into page setup, and if you were to go to custom, now what you can do is you can enter out the custom page dimension depending on the unit that you want to enter in. So I'm just going to stick to inches right here and say 20 by let's say 10 inches and press apply. Then what happens is that the document gets resized accordingly, as you can see. And that is how you can resize out pages and resize out the pages by using page setup inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.